Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode of Cozy Car Covers, where we dive deep into the world of automotive comfort and style. Today, we're examining a product making waves in the car accessory scene, the Lingvido breathable waterproof car seat covers. These bad boys claim to combine durability, comfort, and style all in one package. But do they really live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about design and quality. The Lingvido covers are crafted from high-quality materials that feel premium to the touch. The stitching is solid, and you can tell these covers are built to last. Plus, they come in various sleek colors and patterns to suit any interior aesthetic. Whether you're going for a sporty look or a more refined vibe, there's a style for everyone. Now let's dive into the key features and functionality. One of the standout features of these covers is their breathability. The innovative design allows air to circulate freely, keeping you cool and comfortable even on long drives. They're waterproof, so you don't have to worry about spills or stains ruining your upholstery. And the best part? They're super easy to install and clean, saving time and hassle. But how does the Lingvido cover stack up against the competition? Well, let me tell you, they hold their own and then some. Compared to other seat covers in the same price range, these bad boys offer superior durability and comfort. Plus, the range of colors and patterns blows the competition out. Trust me, you won't find a better bang for your buck. Now let's break it down with some pros and cons. On the plus side, we've got durability, comfort, style, and easy maintenance. But on the flip side, some users have reported that the fit can be snug on specific car models. If you have an unusually shaped seat, double-check the measurements before purchasing. So why should you choose the Lingvido covers over other options on the market? Simple. They offer unbeatable quality, style, and functionality at a price that won't break the bank. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend road warrior, these covers will keep your seats looking fresh for years. In conclusion, the Lingvido breathable waterproof car seat covers are a solid investment for any car owner looking to upgrade their interior game. They're a no-brainer in my book with their top-notch quality, stylish design, and unbeatable functionality. Double-check your vehicle model's fit and you'll be ready. Ready to take your car's interior to the next level? Click the Amazon link below to learn more and snag a set of Lingvido covers today. Trust me, your backside will thank you. Please subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and leave a comment letting me know what car seat covers you use and love. Until next time, keep it cozy, gearheads.